Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another one of our Versus videos. Today we're going to talk about using a clear sewer fitting as opposed to an opaque or a solid sewer fitting that you cannot see through. This is, again, one of our easier Versus videos. You know, these are a little more expensive to get the clear, right? A lot of times people want to save the money. They go with the dark plastic one, you know. You can't see inside of it, and they think, what do I need to see inside of it for? Pull my black water when I don't hear it anymore. I pull my gray water when I don't hear it anymore. I shut both the valves, I'm good to go. Truth is, you may not be good to go. The reason we suggest that you use a clear sewer fitting is I can see, right? So first thing I do is I pull my black water. That's going to be your sewage. It comes out of where your toilet was. So the sewage is going to be rushing through, and you're thinking, I don't want to see that, but you do, because when it stops flowing, you're going to turn on your black tank flush if you're blessed to have one. If you're not, you're going to get your sewer one. You're going to stick that down in your toilet. You're going to keep rotating it around, okay? So why do I need this? I can see when there's no more solids. I can see when there's no more dirty water, right? No more paper coming out. Then I know that my tank is cleaned, okay? At that point, I'm going to shut my black water tank. I'm going to pull my gray water tank. Same thing. I can see when there's no more water flowing. When the water's done flowing, I can shut my gray water. Then I'm going to go inside, throw a couple packets of toilet chemicals down in the toilet, run a little bit of water for a couple minutes. I want that water in there and the toilet chemical so that it can start to break up anything I missed in there and control the odor while I'm not using my RV. So as I'm traveling from place to place, it's swishing around, cleaning everything. Keeps your sensors clean as well. But again, do I want clear or do I want solid? You definitely want the clear so you can see what's coming out of your tank, so you know when you're done dumping and cleaning everything. If you have any questions about this or want to purchase one, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.